Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. Let me start with a quick story. Say it's a Monday morning and the sales team is buzzing, deals are moving, opportunities are logged, leads are flowing. But behind the scenes, there's a quieter story unfolding. The Salesforce admin notices something odd. Out of the 200 Salesforce licenses the company is actually paying for, nearly 40 belong to people who haven't logged in for months. Some are former employees, some are employees who only peek in once a quarter, and a few interns who never even touched the platform. Meanwhile, finance is scratching their head. They see a huge invoice from Salesforce, but they don't know which licenses are essential and which are just collecting dust. Procurement is stuck in between, trying to negotiate renewals without clearer data. So, this is the reality for many organizations. Salesforce is mission critical, but it's also one of the most expensive tools in your stack. And here's the kicker: most companies overspend by 20 to 30% on unused or underused licenses. That's why we are here today, to show you how CloudEagle helps you uncover the hidden story of your Salesforce licenses. With CloudEagle, you'll see who's actively using the platform, which licenses are just sitting idle, and how much you're really spending per user, and where the big savings are hiding. Now let's hand it over to Kuldeep, who will walk you through how CloudEagle makes Salesforce license management simple, transparent, and cost-effective for you.
Hi, today I'll walk you through how to manage Salesforce license using CloudEagle platform. So this is the application view which you get where you can see all the applications which are being used in your environment, vendors associated with it, what category they fit in, is it an active vendor or application, when is the renewal date, the contract associated with it, how much you spend on app level, vendor level, what's the usage, uh, where is the source coming up from, how many provisioned users, licenses bought, the security score, and a lot of nitty-gritty details, right? And if we go into Salesforce app into particular, so this is the view which you get, right? Where you can see the duplicate application, what is the security score, uh, the usage period, which you can change, activity type. So the beauty about a platform is we are not only giving you the login data, right? Who's logging in, who's logging out, but also feature insights, right? Who is actually creating those meetings? Who's actually creating those opportunities, accounts, leads, which you can who's actually login opportunity, which you can uh, toggle and check in, right? Uh, and further, there is sub licenses. What are the license type you bought from the Salesforce? You can actually map it. What are the license provisioned? Who are the active users? Who are not active users? What is the unit price you bought? What is discount? And any potential savings our platform is able to see, right? And here are those users in last 30 days who have been activity type has been this, right? So if I have to see if there are users who have done activity or who have not done the activities, I can just remove this checkbox and in last 60 days, and if I go ahead and click on it, I can see who are those users who have done activities and who are those users who have not done those activities. And if I click on the users who have been active, I can see that. But in this case, let's say who are the users with not activities who have not created leads or opportunities. So here are the list of them where I can see what is the email address, what is their job title, what departments when were they provisioned, and I can go granular in terms of checking their activity logs, right? If let's say if I know this users won't be using Salesforce license, if they have not used in last 90 days, I can select all and deprovision all of them right from here. If not, I can select all of them and send an email right from here itself, right? We have a snippet over here, user not using the app. And once I click on it, I get a message which I can send to everybody directly from here and which I can monitor if directly, right? Going back to the license type, which you can check for the last 1 year, see those activities. Further, on the Salesforce app, you can also have the benchmarking data for Salesforce application. what are the industry tips and tricks, how much you should be paying for X licenses you bought. You can also connect with our expert. You can see the security profile and more. Thank you.
Thanks, Kuldeep. That was eye opening. Now, here's the big takeaway. Every Salesforce license tells a story. Some are powering your sales pipeline every day, while others are quietly draining your budget. CloudEagle helps you separate the two. With CloudEagle, you can spot inactive users in just seconds, deprovision or reassign licenses with total confidence. Benchmark your spend against industry standards. Walk into renewals with hard data and not guesswork. It's about turning license management from a headache into a strategic advantage. If this resonates with you, let's talk. We'd love to show you how CloudEagle can help your team cut waste, save money, and make Salesforce work smarter for you. Thanks again for spending time with us today. We hope you found the session helpful.